This item includes 1x pair of headlights. Bulb model 9005 high, H11 low beam * bulb not include. Comes with complete set of headlight kit, headlamp and bumper lights, plug-and-play operation, direct OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit. Brings a different appearance to Veichle that great for show use, requires no modification or drilling. A headlight, headlamp, is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Headlight performance has steadily improved throughout the automobile age, spurred by the great disparity between daytime and nighttime traffic fatalities. Headlights are one of the most important components of your vehicle. They allow you to see the road in front of you clearly during the night and in any bad weather that may arise. Our headlights upgrade the face of your vehicle with clear style and extreme range. Top reviews from the United States. Only time will tell. Had a set from a different vendor that only lasted a couple of years. The one which was in the sun all the time hazed over very quickly. Hope these are better. I will let you know.